Hey, welcome back to the Too Fast channel. In this tabletop review and unboxing and test, we're going to be taking a look at a wireless phone charger. This is made by, I believe the company's WisFox. It's a 3-in-1 Q certified, Q certified, or the QI certified wireless charging station, however you say that, for Apple Watch, Airpods, and the iPhone. I picked this up off of Amazon. It ran me $28.99. I didn't get any real special deal on this. I was hoping a Black Friday deal would pop up. I could grab one of these, and it didn't materialize. So I finally, I looked at a lot of different wireless chargers. Some of my criteria was basically I wanted as much wireless charging as I could get. In other words, I wanted to be able to wirelessly charge my AirPods and my phone. The watch, not that big of a deal. I don't have an Apple Watch, so it wasn't really priority. I also wanted the phone stand to be vertical so I could use this on my nightstand and use the clock on my phone as an alarm clock. So instead of it laying flat, I wanted it to stand up so I could look at it. The other feature I was looking for was, one thing I noticed, most of these wireless charging stations, they don't come with a charging brick. So if you don't have a, you need a QC 3.0 adapter to do 7.5 watt fast charging. Most of these don't come with those. And of course the newer iPhones don't come with chargers. So you got to go out and buy one. So you can spend $25 on one of these, and if you don't have the fast charger, then you got to go out and buy one of those. So I kind of narrowed my choices to this particular item because it came with the charger. Also, this is a modular unit, so the module that holds the watch can be removed, and the module that holds the watch and the AirPods can be removed. So you can, let's say you were traveling and you just wanted to take the stand for the phone. You could take that. You wouldn't have to take the rest of it. So some flexibility there. So again, this is, if you're going to, let's see, what else do I want to mention here? If you're going to use this to charge an Apple Watch, you need to use the magnetic charger that comes with your watch, and you would install it on this. Okay, so I do have more talking points, but let's move on with the unboxing, and we'll take a look at what's going on here. Again, so this is made in China. There's also a Essen, Germany address on here. Maybe that's a company that brings these in from China. I don't know, but it is made in China. WisFox 3-in-1 QC 3.0 adapter. And you can use this without a fast charge adapter, in case you don't care about fast charging. All right, go ahead and unbox this. A small user manual on how to set this up with very small print. A thank you card. Thank you card from Jess. It says, thanks for buying my product. Okay, you're welcome, Jess. We've got actually, I have not taken this out or set it up, so I'm actually doing this live. I have not done this already, so in case it all goes to hell in a handbasket, you'll know why. It's because I haven't played around with this beforehand, because I just got it. One charging cable, another charging cable, so we got two charging cables. We got the phone base, nicely packaged. Nice gloss black finish on this. The center charging area is a flat black, and on the back is flat black here. We've got the plug-in for the cable. The bottom says fast wireless charging stand. Outputs 5 watts, 7.5, 10, and 15. course, if you have something other than an iPhone, 7.5 watt charger is probably not ideal. But and here's our charger that this comes with some protective tape around the outside of it. Excuse me while I try and figure out how to take the tape off. I can't seem to find the end of it. Well, I'll do that later. And this is all flat black for the iWatch, or the iWatch, the Apple Watch. And it would appear that, I'm not exactly sure how this goes together because I haven't read the manual yet. Why read the manual? Let's just play around with it and hopefully we don't break it in the process. Looks like this slides apart like so. And you would, okay, so if you can see, you would plug your cable in here, your USB end of your magnetic charger for the watch, bundle up all the cable and stick it in here and put the other magnetic end right there. And then you'd plug your other USB cable that's included in the box in here. So your charger is completely encased inside of this little compartment. That seems pretty slick. On the bottom of these, you've got these two little magnetic contact points. I'll talk about that in a second. Get the last item out. This is the actual base. The base is got some glossy edges to it and matte black in the center. And you can see right here, you can see these two little contact pins, which are kind of spring loaded. That's for this device. And you can see there's a magnet that holds that into place. And if you look over here, that magnet attaches these together. So this is actually pretty slick. So you don't have to really do much. These will stay connected, but the magnet makes sure that they get attached and they stay attached. So your phone, like I've got an iPhone SE here, which has wireless charging, would go here, and we'd put our AirPods here, and then the watch would go right there. And like I mentioned a little bit earlier, if you were to travel and you didn't want to carry all of this bulk, you could just disconnect this and take this with you and leave the rest of this at home. Or you could put this on one area of your dresser and this on your nightstand if you didn't want to keep them together. Because we get two cables. We get one cable for this and we get one cable for this. These cables are not that long. So probably 3 feet. They don't exactly say how long these are. Oh, it says 4 foot. So you get two 4-foot USB Type-C cables, 100% lifetime money back and replacement warranty. Now with only one charger, so we have one fast charger here. So if I wanted to separate these two and put this on my dresser and put this on my nightstand, I'd probably put the fast charger on my nightstand and use the well, this is last year's SE, so this actually came with a charger, so I could use that charger with this, and this would charge, it just wouldn't be a fast charge. Same with the phone. So you don't get 2 bricks with this order, you can only get one. Okay, so that's basically how this is set up. If these are connected, my understanding is if we plug in a cable here with our 7.5 watt charger to get fast charging on the phone, we get fast charging here, and we get fast charging here. But if we were to separate these two and use this independent, there's a USB jack right down here where my finger is, and if we didn't have the fast charger, this would be charged at a standard rate. So when these are connected, you're good to go. I plan on keeping these together since I only have one fast charging brick, and that's pretty much how that works. So let me clear off this work area and get some power to this, and we'll test it. Okay, we're back here. I was just looking over the instruction manual that ships with this. The LED modes are as follows. When you power on the unit, a blue light will illuminate and turn off after 5 seconds. Charging, a green LED light will come on. Charging completed, the LED will turn off, except for the iPhone. FOD alert, blue and green LED flashing. And then the watch section, green LED light comes on and stays on. And it is on. You can maybe see it. Green light down there. This is obviously English translated, or Chinese translated into English, and it's not translated very well. But that's what the instruction manual says. So these are my iPod Pros here. They are actually pretty charged up already, but if we put them on the plate right there, the amber light comes on. So we've got charge. Unfortunately, everything I have is already fully charged, but we put the phone on and we've got the wireless charging going on. You heard the beep, and we're good there. So if we separate these two, obviously this no longer will charge if we separate the two. But this continues to charge, and we can connect that back up, and that should work. And then of course this just kind of sits on there. It is magnetic a little bit, but if you're not careful, you can bump this and tip it over. So now it would appear that you can let's separate this just for a second. So if we're dealing just with this unit, there is a USB-C right there where my finger is, so you can plug this in to charge this and this. Now you can also remove this and plug that USB cable directly into here and put your watch right on top and charge it that way. So you've got a bit of flexibility. This wouldn't be used if it's on the base right here and plugged in, or plugged in like so. So you don't need to plug in this cable over here. And that's pretty much all I have to say at this point about this. We've got the green light down there. You can see that the green light is on even though the phone's charged up 100%. And that green light stays on whether the phone's on the charger or not. Like the like the instructions said, the green light stays on. And let's see if I've got any other talking points before I wrap this up. Just making sure I covered everything here. This is made out of ABS according to the manufacturer, and it is durable and fire resistant, so it shouldn't catch on fire. According to the manufacturer, this has intelligent protection. This charger will protect your device from overheating, overvoltage, and short circuit to extend your battery life. They also make mention of the rubber ring at the top and bottom of the charging pad, keeping the AirPods securely in place. That's, this outline right here, that's what they're referring to. It's actually rubber, and if you set your AirPods Pro right there, this won't be sliding off. So you could technically put this at somewhat of a little bit of an angle, but probably not too much. It's just allows you to get the AirPods centered on the charging base. So it's a nice addition. And okay, 100% lifetime money back and replacement warranty according to the manufacturer. So anyway, that's going to about wrap it up for the WisFox or WisFox, WisFox 3-in-1 QI certified charger, however you say that. Station for the Apple Watch and Airpods. They list it being compatible with the 11 Pro, Pro Max, X, XS, XR, XS, 8 Plus. Any iPhone that has wireless charging built into it. I do believe that if you have an iPhone wireless charging case, that will also work. The manufacturer also does say that you should not have a case on your phone when you put it on this charger. A case that has like your credit cards in it, any type of magnets on the back or metal plates, you'd want to take the case off before you put it on the charger. So that's something to be aware of. I happen to have a case for my phone that has metal plates in it, so it will attach to a magnetic mount in my car. So for me to put my phone on this charger, I have to take the case off. Otherwise, it will not charge correctly. All right, well, that's going to wrap up this review. I'll put a link to this on Amazon in the description if you want to check it out and read some more about it. Thanks for watching.